I'm going to be using my Harbor Freight 20-ton press. You'll also need an old tail housing bushing, an old bearing or race that's the same outer diameter as that bushing, just to give you a little space on the top, and then obviously a new tail housing bushing. A couple things to note. When using a press, it's always good practice just to note whatever you're pushing out, where it's sitting before you even move it. You can see the bushing is sitting right at the base of this bevel edge. I'm gonna shoot it with some brake cleaner just to clean it up a little bit. Now, depending on your tail housing, I always like to use an old bushing first just to break that thing loose, because sometimes it might be so tight in there it doesn't want to move and you'll end up ruining your new bushing. So I'm going to take the old bushing, put it on there, try to center it as best you can, and then our old bearing sit right on top. Hopefully you hear a crack. We'll see how tight this thing's in here. Oh, it's already moving, so it wasn't in there too tight. I'm gonna pull this out and put in the new bushing. You'll also notice that the old bushing, this is the same one that's inside, it does not have an oil hole. There's an oil slot right here in the tail housing, and then you'll notice the new bushing has a hole. So you want to line up this hole in the tail housing with the hole in the bushing. It's going to sit about 5 o'clock, just like that. That's it. And we're not down all the way. This isn't that critical, but I like to put it back how it came out. If I just take this down another hair, it'll be right where it was. Now this won't take much at all. That's it. Check it out, see how it came out. Oil slots lined up. And you're probably wondering where the old one is.